All right, ladies and gentlemen, the next thing we're going to look at is multiplying. Now, what I need you guys to understand, ladies and gentlemen, if signs are the same, they're always positive. If they are different, then they are negative. Okay? So, same signs when multiplying. Now, this only applies to multiplying, ladies and gentlemen. Same signs results in a positive. Opposite signs results in a negative. Okay. Now that's something you must always remember. If you are multiplying, now once again, this only applies to multiplication. If you have two that have the same sign, it will result in a positive. If you have opposite signs, it will result in a negative. Okay. So let's go over an example, ladies and gentlemen. Let's say we have positive 8. We're going to put that in parentheses. And in a second set of parentheses, we're multiplying. So we're going to say positive 4. Now, as we see, ladies and gentlemen, both have same signs. They're both positive. So our end result, 8 times 4 is 32. And since they're the same sign, it's going to result in a positive. Remember, or another way to think about this, ladies and gentlemen, which you've probably heard in the past, is a positive times a positive is a positive. Okay. Let's look at another example. Let's suppose, ladies and gentlemen, we have negative 6 times negative 5. Here we see, again, ladies and gentlemen, both have the same sign. They're both negative. In this case, it's negative, right? 6 times 5 is 30. Okay. Since they're the same signs, ladies and gentlemen, it results in a positive, okay? Or another saying that we'd like to think is a negative times a negative equals a positive. And let's look at our last example, ladies and gentlemen. Let's say we have negative 7, and that we are multiplying by positive 2. Here, ladies and gentlemen, hopefully you notice we have opposite signs. One is a positive, one is a negative. Hence we have opposite signs. So our result will be a negative. Okay? 7 times 2 is 14. But because they're opposite signs, we get a negative sign. Negative 14. Okay? Or another way to think about this, ladies and gentlemen, is a negative times a positive is a negative.